Hi, my name is Dr. Walt Haddigan. I'm a member of the Medical Information Team and Director of Clinical Content at Epocrates. I lead a group of editors who are responsible for creating content found in the Epocrates Newsfeed, guidelines, and our Labs feature. Let's take a brief tour of the Epocrates Newsfeed. In the center of the Epocrates home screen, beneath the search bar and the reference quick navigation ribbon, you'll see the header Medical News for You. With articles added daily, you can catch up on all the latest medical news, including a curated selection of summaries of medical journal articles, breaking news stories, updates and alerts from FDA and CDC, and much more. Let's tap into an article as an example. Here's one based on a study presented at the recent European Society of Cardiology meeting. Here we can see the brief summary, at the bottom of which is a PubMed link, if desired. And beneath that is a selection of suggested articles with similar themes. Each article can be liked, shared, or saved by tapping on these icons at the bottom right. Engaging with any of these buttons will actually increase the likelihood of seeing similar articles higher up in your personalized newsfeed experience. Also in the newsfeed, you'll find short quizzes that test your diagnostic skills and drug knowledge. Here's one now. Now, for those with a competitive streak, tapping on any answer option will reveal what proportion of other respondents answered similarly. So you can see how your answers stack up against your peers. And just like with articles, quizzes can be liked, shared, or saved for later. And to retrieve those saved items, simply go to your saved folder by tapping the bookmark icon in the thumb navigation bar at the bottom of the home screen. And there you'll see that quiz and article that we just saved.